What's up, beautiful people? This is Mike from My Gadgets World, and today's video we are talking about the reflections on the Sony OLED A90J. A lot of people been asking me, if this TV is bright and do you see the reflections? So I'll show you guys what do I see actually. So let's talk about it, and make sure to hit the subscribe button and like this video. And hit the notification bell too, because I've been uploading videos and I'll be uploading more of the content, so make sure to do that. Thank you so much for doing that already. Alright, let's talk about reflections. As you can see that already, I got these big windows. Let me show you. It's not really, the daytime, it's almost the evening. But you can see, these are the windows. And the light is still coming. The light is usually really bright when it's daytime because I live in Texas, so sun is pretty harsh here. But you can see on the screen, you can see my throw pillows over there. You can see myself waving around my hand and all. So these are the reflections that you're gonna see, but you're gonna see this only on the dark areas of the screen when it's dark. Look at this, how you can see that on the CSI, right? So when you're watching the content, the reflections don't look that bad, but this is how it is. If you are in a bright room, the OLED doesn't do a good job eliminating those reflections because it does not have that reflection coating that usually you find on the, let's say, Samsung TV. So I give Samsung a credit there. The reflection, maybe Samsung is the anti-reflection king, but OLED is kind of like not there where you can get away from those reflections. So you're gonna see those reflections in the dark scenes if you're in a bright room. If you're in a dark room, you're not gonna notice that. But if you have lights facing your TV, let me show you, because I do not have any lights which are facing the TV, not even the windows. Windows are on the side. This window is, thank God, not right here. The windows are over there. But if you have a situation where windows are right in front of the TV, man, it's gonna look horrible. But look, for me, it doesn't do any harm. It's good here. As soon as I start watching my content, it's just amazing. It's just the OLED picture quality. So you gotta think about how do you place your TV. It's more about placement. You can be complaining about, I got a big window. Yeah, you gotta place your TV in a way so that that window doesn't come in front of your TV. If the window comes in front of your TV, you can at least, use the blinds. I mean, you can use blinds, you can use a curtain, you can get away with that. But how about if you have something like this? Let me show you. All right, if you have a situation like that, when you have lights facing the TV, that's gonna look horrible. So you have to be careful about that. So this is good that I have a ceiling fan, it got lights on it, but there's nothing in the way, nothing is obstructing the way of the, OLED TV when I'm watching it. So this is good for me. This is my setting. Let me go closer and show you how does it look from the side. So if you have somebody sitting over here, on the side, love seat maybe, you will notice a lot of reflections. So good thing is that in my family, we're just two, so we just sit right in front of the TV. But if you have guests over, you gotta see how it's gonna look. But honestly, when you start watching, let me play something on the TV and then you can judge yourself, when you're actually watching some content. Okay, so maybe let's go to the TV.
Against male aggression. As darkness descended on the vigil for Sarah Everard,
Hate the news these days, actually always, so let's play something else. Something relaxing, right?
police moved in to disperse the crowd.
All I have are news channels, what?
With a number of women taken away in handcuffs.
Let's try to away from politics. Okay, Cine Life maybe? Yeah, so this is pretty dark scene, but still you see that throw pillow over there? You may notice that a little bit maybe. And if you're watching it from the side, see, still you're gonna have those reflections there. Even on the bright one, I mean, I'm not gonna lie, I can show you right here. On the brightest of the screen, still you see those reflections. So I don't know, this TV is bright, but when it comes to reflections, a lot of you guys been asking about it, how it performs when it comes to reflections. I mean, the only thing is that I can show you guys what's going on. That's why I honestly prefer my OLED to be in a dark room, because I mostly use OLED TVs for the movies, and if it is 83 inch, I would literally buy for the media room. But for the living room, still, you know, you have to see whether it is something that you want or you still have to pass it on. All right, guys, so that's all I have from this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up to this video, and I'll see you guys in another one. Make sure to leave the comment what do you want to see from the next video, and make sure to check out the other videos, because sometimes I have done the video already and you guys ask me to do the same one again maybe, but because you haven't seen it. So make sure to go check out all the videos on the channel, and I'll see you in another one, guys. Thank you so much. Peace out.